your legal mat. Well, that don't sound good. What's going on? I don't know. We're hauling balls down to the river. We are almost ready for the sweep auger inside of the bean bin. Say hello, hee-haw.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm on video, not a cell phone. Hello? All right. So, I told the old timer I didn't want him in the grain bin doing anything, but I also respect my elders, and he said that he was going in that bin to do some shoveling. So, there he is. You can't stop a good man. But we won't let him do too much. And when Junior gets back with the other truck in a couple minutes, we will be putting the sweep auger in, and the youngsters, Junior and I, will be doing the shoveling.